I think I messed up. And now I've got duplicate content everywhere. Duplicate content can be a real headache for your SEO efforts. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Here are 3 simple steps to tackle it. First, audit your site. Use tools like Screaming Frog or SEMrush to identify duplicate content. These tools will scan your website and highlight any duplicate pages or posts. Second, consolidate your duplicates. Choose the best version of your content and redirect outdated or less relevant duplicates to it. This can be done using 301 redirects, which tell search engines where to find the original content. Third, use canonical tags. By placing a canonical tag on your duplicate pages, you're informing search engines which version of the content is the primary one. This helps to consolidate link equity and avoid potential penalties. If this sounds overwhelming, Authority Solutions offers professional SEO services to handle duplicate content for you. Our team of experts ensures your website stays optimized and penalty-free. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. See you next time!